my name's Miss Pianalto, and I'm going to be your second grade teacher. I'm so excited. You all are coming back to school in just a few days, and I can't wait to meet you and see all your smiling faces. Real quick, I'm going to give you a classroom tour and show you what I've been working on the past few days. So over here, I have our read aloud area where we will be reading lots of awesome stories. Here's our classroom library. You can check out books, some more books for read aloud. Here's our tables. Got lots of little sit spots on the floor, the little blue dots. Those are spots where you can take your mask breaks. Here's my desk area. Here's our Promethean board where we'll be doing lots of learning. And here's your awesome classroom. I can't wait to meet you all. Have a good one. Bye.